Find the constant term in the expansion of this. So in order to do this, we need to do binomial expansion for the first bracket as well as the second bracket. So the formula that we are going to use is a plus b to the power of n, then a to the power of n, nc1, a to the power of n minus 1, b to the power of 1, nc2, a to the power of n minus 2, b squared, and so on until b to the power of n. So in this binomial expansion formula, so we can see the nc1, nc2 are the coefficients, and a to the power of n, a to the power of n minus 1, a to the power of n minus 2, the power of a decreases 1 unit by 1 unit, while you see b start from b to the power of 0, b to the power of 1, b to the power of 2. So the power of b increases 1 by 1. Okay, now in order to do this, let's expand 2 plus x to the power of 4. So we have to know a is here, a is 2, b is x. Okay, and our n is 4. So to expand this, so we do 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so we follow the formula here. Then we have the 4c1. 4c1 is 4. Then we have a, which is 2. 2 to the power of 3. Okay, then after that, x. 4c2 is 6. 2 to the power of 2. b is x squared. Then after that, 4c3, which is 4. 2 to the power of 1, x to the power of 3, and finally, this term, x to the power of 4. Okay, so we simplified it. So we get 16, 32x, 24x squared, 4 times 2, 8x cubed, and x4. So we managed to expand the first bracket. Now we look at the second bracket. 2x plus 1 over x to the power of 5. So we use the same formula to expand. So what we get here, first we get 2x to the power of 5, then 5c1. So 5c1 is 5, followed by 2x to the power of 4, 1 over x. 5c2 is 10, 2x to the power of 3, 1 over x squared. You see the power of a keep decreasing, the power of b keep increasing. Then followed by 10 again, 2x squared, 1 over x power 3, and 5, 2x, 1 over x power 4, and finally 1 over x power 5. So after expand it, we simplified it. 2 to the power of 5, 32, x power 5, 80 x power 3. This one, 80x, x cubed divided by x squared will get x. And this one, if we simplify, 40, 40x minus 1, 10x minus 3, x minus 5. Okay, then after that, we look at the question here. These two expressions are multiplying. So we multiply them. So that means we have this results from the first expansion multiplied with the results of the second expansion. Multiplying these two brackets will be very troublesome. So because of that, we just multiply according to what the question wants. They want the constant term, which is x to the power of 0. Constant term. Okay. So in order to check which one will make constant term, so we can think about it like this. we look at the negative power, especially this one. When this 40x to the power negative 1 multiply with 32x, so it will provide a constant term because the x and the x to the power negative 1 will just cancel off. So 32 expand or multiply with 40, so will give us 1280. Okay, which is a constant term. Other term, we just put dots. We don't want to care about that. And beside this, we have another term. We focus on the negative power especially because the negative power can cancel off with the positive power over here. So these two, when you expand it, so will give us 80 x to the power of 0. And you may consider x to the power negative 5, but there is no x to the power of positive 5 here to produce a constant term. So we can ignore this. And we put dots for other terms. So adding up 1280 and 80 will give us 1360. So that's the constant term. Okay, so we write down constant term is equal to 1360.